and show you guys how high this is right now. This place is usually very busy. And look, this is a double-decker yurt. I've actually never seen that. It's view though, look at that. Today I am headed to Archa National Park here in Kyrgyzstan. Beautiful mountain views, super excited, get to see the countryside here. I booked this tour and I'm actually gonna be the only one on this tour. I had the choice of being with like 3 other people, but those 3 people were in their own group. So I didn't want to just be like the odd one out. But I'm currently walking to my pickup point right now and then about to take like an hour drive to the national park.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm V.
You don't have private tour today, right?
I think I do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because there was a different person supposed to be with you today, but there is some issue happened with him. He's like with his kids or something like that. So,
Okay.
So I'm with you today.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
And there is 2 girls with me, a guest also.
Okay.
And if you don't mind, you okay with it?
That's fine, yeah, yeah.
If you don't mind, you don't need anything. What you call? You can go with us, Chunkurchak, if you don't mind. So that's complimentary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure,
You
sure.
okay to go?
Alright, arrived here at the Sky Bridge. We're about to walk on this. I don't really like these bridges, and I always somehow end up on them, but look at right here too. Crazy. I'm about to take my journey across here, man. I don't know how I feel about this though. I think looking down is definitely the worst part. I'm gonna stop right here and show you guys how high this is right now. But I'm not even gonna move my head. I'm just looking straight ahead towards the end. The worst part about this is I gotta fucking walk back over this. I'm almost towards the end. That might be like one of the scariest things I've ever done. I didn't even look down not once. I just kept my eyes on this wooden plank, just walking straight. Sheesh, bro. Okay, now that that's over with, we get to walk up here. And my tour guide was saying there's a nice panoramic view up here, so better be worth it. I wish it was like snowing right here too. It'd be amazing. But mostly everything is dead. Alright, now we're about to take a cable car up. Where does it go?
Chunkurchak ski base.
Okay. So I'm gonna take a cable car up and then a zip line back down. That's crazy. I actually didn't know I was gonna take a zip line today, but I think it goes from up there all the way down here. It's gonna be very beautiful. We are up higher, so the snow is more dense up here.
So when you go all the way on the top, take your time there, take your pictures, walk around, and after when you're ready, you come down with the zip line.
Okay, all right, let's go. We're going up, baby. And then taking the zip line down. It's gonna be an adventure. This place is usually very busy during middle of winter when this place is full of snow. People are skiing down these mountains right over here. But now we're towards the end of autumn, not even, maybe in winter a little bit, but obviously there's no snow, it hasn't snowed yet. So there's not many people, so I kind of got lucky coming up here because it's still beautiful and not as packed, so love that. I wish it was ski season though, because I would definitely rent some skis, go all the way up there and then ski down. I've never skied in my life, but I feel like this would be a great first spot to come skiing.
My name is Bakhtiar.
Bakhtiar.
Where are you from?
California.
California.
USA. United States. All right, here we go. Let's go! What's your name?
Bayel.
Bayel.
Uh-huh.
Man, that was so much freaking fun. And this part of the tour, this Chunkurchak, I actually get it for free because I was supposed to have a private tour and only go to the Archa National Park. But my tour guide in the morning told me the other tour guide got sick or something like that. So I ended up going with these other two girls in our tour group. This place is free for me, basically. Complimentary is what he said. So I respect it, honestly. That's great. You know, things turned out very good. Got to do this zip line. Wouldn't have gotten to do this if I went on a private tour myself. And I will say too, the people here in Kyrgyzstan are so nice, super hospitable. Here you get the zip line here too, from the other angle. Man, look at that. It's so fun, honestly. I would 10 out of 10 do that again. When it gets deeper into winter and this place is full of snow, I don't even think you're allowed to walk down here. So I don't know, maybe the zip line, you have to go on this side and walk, but oh shit, almost slipped. But yeah, there's basically no snow here as of right now. But it is kind of weird because usually there should be snow around this area during this time, but the weather this year in literally like every single country has been super weird and just unpredictable, even in like Southeast Asia. Now we made a stop to get some lunch, and these are actually like hotels. You can stay in these, which actually would be really nice, looking over these views. Oh, wow. Really cozy little restaurant area. This is a vibe. It's like a huge yurt, I believe. This would be a really nice area to come chill and get a little hotel here for maybe 1 or 2 nights. And look, this is a double-decker yurt. I've actually never seen that. Beautiful though, honestly, very cozy spot. But the one thing about Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan is you kind of need to book a tour if you're like a foreigner, because it's hard to get around if you don't have your own car. Or I mean, obviously maybe you can hitchhike, find some friends, some Kyrgyz friends or Kazakh friends to take you to these places, but I think tour is probably the best way to get around here. So this guy,
Yeah, he's the founder.
Founder of this place. Okay.
You can play the chess here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's it. You can sit here and play chess.
Okay, lunchtime. What is this called again?
Bishparmak.
Bishkek.
They'll drink now spicy, I asked them.
Lunch is finished. Honestly, pretty mid, honestly. Give it like a 5 out of 10, but it is a traditional dish, so I got to try it. Really cool to try traditional dishes out here. But I think after this, we're heading to Archa National Park. Arrived here at Archa National Park. Look at this view right here. I think we take a bus up higher, so there will be like more snow. And I also did bring my drone, so if there's nice spots, I will get the drone up. And this is one of like the main scenic spots here in Kyrgyzstan, Bishkek area.
This is the 3 main tracks. For example, this one, first one goes behind that mountain around. So you go all the way like this, you hike. After approximately 5 to 6 hours, you'll get to the lake. The lake is this one, here. And then after that is backwards. This one is pretty flat, you go like this. After approximately 2 hours, you'll get to dead end. In left side, another 3 hours to the glaciers or to the lake. From here all the way till here is Camp Ratsika. Ratsika is this one. So one way is approximately 4 to 6 hours, depends on your speed. Everywhere depends on your speed. And right now we'll walk from here all the way until end of the pathway, and then after we slowly will coming back.
You said this middle one's a glacier mountain?
Yes, sir.
This one right here. And you can see right here, no snow and snow. But usually this place will be covered when it's like heavily snowing. All this right here. And then there's also like a bunch of wild animals, ibex, wild boars, squirrels, and pikas. This view though, look at that. Thumbnail maybe. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely beautiful. Probably the most beautiful part of this whole trip. Man, it actually looks so good, like not fully covered with snow. I think it's the perfect amount of snow covering it. About to get the drone up right now. Man, those drone shots were absolutely crazy. Probably one of the best drone flying sessions I've had. I'm so glad I bring my drone because it really gives like a different perspective than like a view like this. Don't get me wrong, this is still beautiful and great, but seeing like a drone from above, like literally probably mountain level, is just, man, it's mind-blowing here. Even though the drone is a pain in the ass to carry around sometimes through TSA, security, the airport, all that. But that's probably gonna wrap up the vlog right here in Kyrgyzstan. Visited these national parks, super beautiful. Highly recommend coming here if you come to Kyrgyzstan. The nature here is absolutely beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with my travels. I post every single week. And comment some suggestions of which countries you wanna see me go to. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.